Okay, so I made this custom character that works for the Santa Fe and the Coca Cola company. And his name is Tex. He is a really cool engine. His number is 1010. He's a 10 out of 10. So yeah. And he's red and white, just like the Coca-Cola company, I think. Like a Coca-Cola logo. So yeah. So this is Tex. He thinks he is, and he is a really cool engine. And this is also like this. That's his whistle. And he was made in 1910, and he will still be around for my series. And yeah, so he's a really famous engine. And the steam always comes out fresh, more different than the other steam locomotives. Wait, come on. What's the stuff in my pachinko them? And that's what Tex looks like. Yeah, and since I was watching the Muppets movie, I heard about this guy in the movie, and in the movie, his character name is Tex Richmond. So and since he looks really cool, I decided to make an engine like that, but Coca-Cola, but the engine is going to be Coca-Cola. He works for the Coca-Cola company mostly. And yeah, that's all. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe.